Having good credit is like having a secret weapon when starting a business. It shows lenders and investors that you're responsible with money. When your credit score is high, banks are more willing to give you loans. You can get larger amounts and better terms, meaning lower interest rates and more time to pay back. This gives your business a solid financial foundation from day one. Good credit also helps you get credit cards with high limits, which can be a lifesaver for managing early expenses like inventory, marketing, and equipment. Even if you don't have a lot of cash saved, your credit can open doors. It can even help you lease office space or buy supplies without paying everything up front. Think of credit as trust. When your credit is strong, people trust you. And in business, trust is everything. It gives you power. The power to negotiate, the power to grow, and the power to survive in tough times. So before launching your business, focus on improving your credit. Pay bills on time, reduce debt, and check your credit report regularly. Because when your credit is strong, your business journey starts with confidence and strength. That's the true power of good credit. Funding. Access. When you have good credit, getting access to business funding becomes much easier. Banks and other financial institutions look at your credit score to decide whether they can trust you with their money. A high credit score tells them you're low risk, someone who pays back loans on time. This makes them more willing to approve your loan applications quickly and with fewer conditions. Good credit doesn't just open doors to traditional loans, it also gives you access to lines of credit, business credit cards, and even private investor support. With more funding options, you can start your business with better equipment, a proper marketing budget, and professional help. Things that give you a competitive edge from the start. Even online lenders and government grant programs check your credit before giving support. So, the better your credit? This flexibility is important because every business has different financial needs. Simply put, good credit helps you fund your dreams without unnecessary stress or delays. It's your financial key to building something big. Low interest. One of the biggest benefits of having good credit when starting a business is getting loans with low interest rates. Interest is the extra money you pay on top of the amount you borrow. If your credit score is high, banks and lenders see you as a trustworthy borrower, so they reward you with lower interest. This means you'll pay less money over time, keeping more profits in your pocket. With low interest, your monthly payments are smaller, which helps you manage your cash flow better in the early stages of your business. You can use those savings to invest in things that grow your business, like advertising, hiring staff, or buying better equipment. Over the long term, paying less in interest adds up and helps your business stay strong financially. On the other hand, if your credit score is low, lenders charge higher interest to protect themselves. That makes borrowing more expensive and stressful. So if you want to build a business with peace of mind, start with good credit. It will save you thousands and help your business succeed faster and smoother. Low interest is not just a benefit, it's a business advantage. Trust factor. In the business world, trust is everything, and your credit score is one of the first things that builds that trust. Whether you're applying for a loan, renting an office, or making deals with suppliers, people want to know if you're reliable. A good credit score is proof that you handle money wisely and keep your promises. When your credit is strong, landlords are more likely to lease you commercial space without asking for big security deposits. Suppliers may offer you better payment terms, like buy now, pay later, which helps you keep cash flowing in your business. Even future business partners and investors check credit history before making decisions. Your score silently speaks for you, and it says, this person can be trusted. Without good credit, you may have to offer personal guarantees, pay extra fees, or even get rejected. But when you have that trust factor already built in, everything becomes smoother. You don't have to convince people, your credit does the talking. In short, good credit builds confidence in your business from the very beginning, and that confidence leads to better deals, faster approvals, and stronger business relationships. Quick approval. Time is money when you're starting a business, and having good credit can save you a lot of both. With a strong credit score, your loan or credit card applications get approved faster. Banks and lenders already see you as low risk, so they don't need weeks to think about it. You skip the long waiting period and can focus on launching or growing your business without delays. Quick approval doesn't just help with banks, it also speeds up deals with vendors, leasing companies, and even service providers. Need to buy equipment on credit? Need a business line of credit for emergency cash flow? With good credit, the answer is usually yes, and fast. That means fewer headaches, less paperwork, and no begging or explaining. In business, opportunities don't wait. Sometimes you find a perfect location, a limited time offer on supplies, or a big client who needs fast service. If your credit is solid, you can move fast, take action, and secure those chances. Without it, you risk missing out. So when your credit score is working for you, the green lights come quicker, and that speed can make all the difference between success and setback. Growth boost. Starting a business is just the beginning. Growing it is where the real challenge starts. And this is where good credit gives you a major boost. As your business expands, you'll need more resources, better equipment, a bigger team, stronger marketing, or even a second location. With a solid credit score, you can access the funding needed to make all that happen smoothly. Instead of stressing about where the money will come from, you can focus on strategy and scaling. Good credit allows you to qualify for business expansion loans, higher credit limits, and even special financing programs made for growing companies. You'll also get better terms, which helps reduce financial pressure as you invest in your business. Plus, a strong credit profile makes your business more attractive to investors and partners. People want to work with companies that have financial stability, and your credit tells them you're serious and dependable. In short, good credit doesn't just help you start, it helps you grow faster, safer, and with more confidence. It's like fuel for your business journey, turning big dreams into reality without hitting roadblocks. Business freedom. Good credit gives you more than just money. It gives you freedom. Freedom to make decisions without being limited by financial stress or constant rejection. When your credit is strong, you're not stuck waiting for approval or depending on just one lender. You have options, and options mean power. Want to launch a new product? Move into a better office? Hire top talent? With good credit, you can act fast without second-guessing your finances. You're not tied down by high interest rates or strict loan terms. Instead, you can negotiate better deals, get flexible payment plans, and control your business's direction. This kind of financial freedom also protects you in hard times. If business slows down or an emergency hits, you can quickly access funds to keep things running. You don't need to panic or shut down, because your credit gives you breathing room. In short, good credit puts you in the driver's seat. You can grow, adapt, and lead your business on your own terms. That's the kind of freedom every entrepreneur dreams of, and it starts with building and maintaining a strong credit score. Starting a business is hard, but starting with good credit makes everything easier, faster, and smarter. From gaining trust to unlocking better funding, low interest rates, and real financial freedom, your credit score holds the key. So why delay your success? Start building strong credit today and unlock the future you deserve. Don't miss our next video. Caught on camera, the clue that broke the case wide open. A shocking true story that proves one moment can change everything. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.